A very good morning, students. Are you all welcome to our online class? Today we are going to see the muscular tissue. Would we have seen that previous class? We have seen that compound tissues, right? Today we are going to see that muscular tissue. Okay, here a muscular tissue. So muscles, they are automatically made up of what, ma? The muscle cells. Here a muscle cell, we already know that we are given some stretch to the muscle cell due to the contraction phase and relaxation phase. They want to contract and relaxation when they are given a movement to their muscles. So that here a major part of a contractile tissue. What is a major part here? Contractile tissue. Here what are a contractile? Contractile, which means they are given a contraction movement and relaxation. Compress panni relax pannolaya, that is the what? A contractile tissues. Here they are composed of numerous myofibril muscles. Myogenic where it is present in the heart. Here a myofibril fibers are present in the form of myogenic, that is a myofibril. Here each muscle is made up of cylindrical fibers. What is the kind of fibers to be presented here? A cylindrical fiber. Cylindrical kind of muscles are presented in the muscular tissue. They are arranged in their parallel to the one another. Here a parallel to the one another. Here myofibril, just they are arranged to the parallel like this. ஒரே மாதிரி சைஸில் பேரலாக அரேஞ்ச் ஆகிருக்கும். Here they are cylindrical like structures இருக்கா, and parallel to the one another this muscles. Here first thing என்ன பார்த்தோம்? muscular tissue muscles are cells ஆனது. They are nature of contractile tissues. Contract ஆனது, they are given some contraction movement, and here they are having a numerous myofibril muscles. They are cylindrical in structure and arranged in the parallel to the one another. And next thing here, according to that this muscular tissue, based on the structure and based on the locomotion and based on the function, or location, based on the location and based on the function, just they are classified as a three major type. How many major type here? Three major type. First one is the skeletal muscle. What is the first one? Skeletal muscles. And next one is the smooth muscles. And next one is the cardiac muscle. What is the last one? Cardiac muscle. So this is a three type of a muscle based on the structure, locomotion and function. Just they are divided as a three type of a muscle. Here a first one, a skeletal muscle, we say no, that is another name, or striated muscles, and here non-striated muscles. Here a striated and non-striated. Striated, which means they are having some strips மாதிரி அரேஞ்ச் ஆயிருக்கும். ஓகேமா, ஸ்ட்ரிப் மாதிரினா ஒரே மாதிரி ஈவனாக பேரலாக இருக்கும்னு சொல்லியிருக்கோம் இல்லையா, தட் இஸ் தி ஸ்டீரியேட்டட் அண்ட் நான் ஸ்டீரியேட்டட். இங்கே ஸ்கெலிட்டல் மசில்ஸில் பார்த்தோம்னா ஸ்டீரியேட்டட் மசில்ஸ் ஆகும், ஸ்மூத் மசில்ஸில் பார்த்தோம்னா நான் ஸ்டீரியேட்டட் மசில்ஸ் ஆகும். தேர் ஹேவிங் டிஃப்ரெண்ட் ஸ்ட்ரக்சர். ஆனால் ஸ்கெலிட்டல் மசில்ஸில் ஒரே மாதிரி ஸ்ட்ரக்சர்ஸாக இருக்கும். நேரோவர் மிடில் பார்ட் பார்த்தோன்னா ப்ராடராக இருக்கும். எண்டு பார்ட் பார்த்தோம்னாக்கா தேர் நேரோ இன் நேச்சர். ஓகே, அண்ட் ஹியர் அ கார்டியாக் மசில். நெக்ஸ்ட் ஒன் இஸ் தி லாஸ்ட் ஒன் இஸ் தி கார்டியாக் மசில். Okay, we see the first one, we are having the skeletal muscle. What we are having the first one here? Skeletal muscle. Here a skeletal muscle, muscles are attached to the bone with the helpful for the movement of a skeletal muscles. That is the main thing. Muscles are attached to the bone. That is a skeleton na. A bone. What is the major function? They are attached to the bone for an movement. So it is called an a what? A skeletal a muscle. Here they are work under the control. Skeletal muscles la work under the control. Why they say work under the control? நம்ம பாடிக்கு நம்ம வோலண்டரி இல்லாமல் மூமெண்ட் கொடுக்க முடியுமா? இல்லை இல்லையா? எங்கள் ஸ்கெலிட்டல் மசில்ஸில் நீ கையை ரைஸ் பண்ணணும்னு நினச்சாதான் என்ன பண்ண முடியும்? ரைஸ் பண்ண முடியும். உன்னுடைய லெக்கை மூவ் பண்ணணும்னு நினச்சாதான் மூவ் பண்ண முடியும். ஸோ தட் இஸ் அண்டர் அவர் கண்ட்ரோல். ஸோ தட் தே ஆர் கால்ட் ஆஸ் ஏ வோலண்டரி மசில்ஸ். வாட் இஸ் த நேம் கிவன் ஹியர்? வோலண்டரி muscles. Here muscles are, what is the structure of voluntary muscles na? Muscles are maybe elongated, cylindrical, unbranched, and fiber. Okay, these are all the types of muscles are presented in the skeletal muscle. First one, elongated. They are having a lengthy muscle. For an example, if in your hand and leg they are having a elongated muscles are attached to the bone, and here a cylindrical muscle. Most of the muscles are cylindrical in nature and unbranched. They are just attached to their lengthy partner. They are not having any branched muscles. And here a fiber. Just fibers are number of fibers are attached to form a muscles. Okay ma, so these are all the major structures of a muscle. Here they are attached in dark and light band. Here say what is in a dark and light band? Dark and light. Maybe இந்த மசில்ஸ் ரொம்ப டார்க்கானது இருக்கலாம். ஓகேம்மா, இல்லை லைட்டான மசில்ஸ்லாவும் இருக்கலாம். And here they are given a strip, that is a striated appearance. Striated na வேறே சொல்லிருக்கோம், லைன் பை லைன் பை வரி வரி சொல்லுவாங்களா? That is the striated appearance. It just given a striated appearance. And here where it is mostly present now in this kind of muscles, they are present in the triceps and biceps. Triceps and biceps. Okay, that only given a movement. கையை அப்படி மடக்கும் போது என்ன பண்ணுவோம்? Just they are increasing the triceps and biceps muscles. Relieve பண்ணும்போது நார்மல் போர்ஷனுக்கு வந்துடும். ஓகேமா, ஸோ மோஸ்ட் ஆஃப் த மசில்ஸ் ஆர் ப்ரெசன்ட் இன் த ட்ரைசெப்ஸ் அண்ட் பைசெப்ஸ் மசில். ஓகே, ஸோ தட்ஸ் இட் ஃபார் a skeletal muscle. Then we move on. Next one we are having a smooth muscle. Here the next topic we are having the smooth muscle. Smooth muscles are spindle muscle. What here given here? Spindle. Sorry. Spindle muscle. Spindle na nama. Churul churulan chuluvangalaya. So most of their muscles are spindle muscle. They are broad at here. This only a what? Broad at the middle and narrow at the end. So here they are broad at the middle and tapering in the middle. And here a centrally located nucleus are uninucleated. Muscles are having the nucleus. The smooth muscles are having the nucleus. Just they are centrally located. That is given a name of uninucleated. And here they do not bear a strips and striated. We already said a strips and striated line irukad. Okay va. And here this is called the non-striated. Ena strips ulla striated ulla, adanaல they called as a non-striated muscle. They do not under our control, so it is called the involuntary muscles. Here involuntary muscle, so without our control, just they are doing their work. So they are having some of the organs are presented in the smooth muscle. The first one is the blood vessels. A blood vessel, they are having a continuous flow of blood without our control. And next one, gastric gland. What are a gastric gland? A work at their condition of a digestive system. If you are taken a food, they are automatically done their work. Okay ma, that is a gastric gland. And next one, intestinal villi. Here, intestinal villi. What is a major function of intestinal villi? They are given a movement of a food and just absorbing the food material with the help of a capillary. That is a nutrition material with the help of a capillary also. And next one, urinary bladder. Urinary bladder. So they all are done their work for an automatically without any involvement of our control. Okay, so that is all comes under the involuntary muscles. So here a contraction of a smooth muscle. So that's it for a smooth muscle. Let we move on next one. Next we are having the cardiac muscle.